If you have ever used Web3 applications or DEX or DApp, you must have gone through authenticated the process through MetaMask wallet. I was wondering how we provide the MetaMask wallet authentication in our Web3 application. So I went to the MetaMask documentation and figured out the way. In just 3 steps, we can simply add the MetaMask wallet authentication in our Web3 application. So let's start with step number 1. First step is to install MetaMask. Every user using our Web3 application needs to have the MetaMask being installed if he or she wants to connect the wallet and authenticate to our application. Do not worry about how user will know about this information. At the end of this video, I will tell you how to give this information to the user if he or she doesn't have MetaMask being pre-installed. In order to install MetaMask, you go to their website and create an account, and lastly, you download the Google Chrome extension of it because it will be very helpful. Step number 2. Creating a button and adding event listener. We will create a button and add event listener to invoke the MetaMask API to authenticate user. Do not add event listener directly to on the page load. Otherwise, you will end up making multiple API calls that might lead to an app crash. So, always add a button to invoke the events to connect the user MetaMask to your application. And last step, that is step number 3. Fetch the user wallet details and show him error accordingly. In this step 1, I've already mentioned that we will show user a message if he or she doesn't have a MetaMask in the browser. This is the correct time to do it. Once the event listener have invoked, MetaMask API will give us an object containing user details or an object containing the error. The error object contains all such informations of why user can't connect MetaMask. So we will simply show the error message to the user accordingly to give him a proper indication. Else, we will get the user wallet or account details, which is the sign that user have successfully connected MetaMask to our Web3 application. That is how we integrate MetaMask to our Web3 application in just 3 steps. I hope you like it. Until next time, have a good day, people.